With these steps you can know how to trade spots on Bybit. Navigate to the spot trading section. On the Bybit homepage, click on Trade Spot Trading. Choose your preferred trading pair like BTC and USDT, where you use USDT to buy BTC at lower price and sell when it gets high. Select Limit Order Market Order, buy, sell instantly at the best price. Limit order means set a price where you want to buy or sell. Then fill amount you would like the trade to buy BTC automatically for you. Then select the amount you want to buy. Then click Buy. To sell the BTC you click on the Sell area. Then change the limit area to conditional, which is same as stop loss and take profits. This helps you with less risks of losing. Select the price you want to sell at. Type in the amount of BTC you want to sell and click on Sell.